Welcome to Lego Science. This is the second video in a series of videos, and my name is Dr. Cathy Riddle, and I am from the Idaho National Laboratory. Today we're going to do something really fun that you can do in your own kitchen. We're going to do Lego chemistry. So to start with, what we have here is simple kitchen chemicals. So we have baking soda, we have vinegar, we have a little bit of Dawn dish soap, but pretty much any soap under the cabinet will do, and food coloring. So you can see here, I have built in advance a little Lego volcano. So our little Lego volcano, and you can build it as big as you want. I did this with Legos I had just around the house, and you can make it any color you want. You can see the colors of the Lego bricks that I had around the house, but you can make it any color you want. And what you're going to do is, we'll take this top part off here, is you're going to get a little glass. We put just a little bit. I don't know, it depends on how big you want it. So about that much. Put your glass back in. Put your parts back on. So we are now going to add a little bit of coloring. I have red here for lava. We're going to add some coloring to our vinegar and give that a little shake, and now you've got red. So you've got red vinegar. Then next we're going to add just a dash of soap on top of the baking soda. Move all this out of the way here, and then we're going to add the vinegar. Now you might be wondering, okay, what's this going to do? Well, let's find out, and I'll tell you what happens, or maybe I'll ask you what happens and you can tell me what is happening in our reaction. And there goes our volcano! So you can keep adding a little bit more. The trick here is the soap. Now, most of our lava volcanoes are actually from just baking soda and vinegar. But I found if you add a little bit of soap, that you can actually make more and suds. So you can see why we have the tray. Our lava is kind of flowing out everywhere. So, I am a radiochemist at INL, and so what we just did here from a chemistry standpoint is we made a chemical reaction. The soap really didn't play much, it just kind of made more suds. But what we did is we had a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. And what that does is when you combine compounds in chemistry, you can make a third compound, which we call a product. Now in this case, the product was carbon dioxide gas. And that's what was causing all of this foaming to come up. And the suds, the soaps, actually made the foam even more than it would have been with just the baking soda and the vinegar. So that's how we have our little volcano. You can do this at home. It's a lot of fun. So ask your parents, get your chemicals that are in the kitchen, and go ahead and give this a try. So Legos are a lot of fun. So go into that closet of yours, haul those Legos out, build yourself some chemistry and Lego science, and have fun. Keep building.